Welcome to the Online Mastery Academy. On this video, I'm going to explain how you can drive thousands of organic traffic to your website. Now, I'm going to explain the basic principles behind this success. As you can see right here, I have a total of 19.7 million total impressions in the last few months, and I also have a total clicks of 941,000. Okay, that's almost a million clicks, a million traffic in the last few months. Now, I'm going to break down the principles behind this, but before I do that, let me just quickly refresh this page again so that you can actually see that this result right here is real and very feasible. All right. Okay, let's wait for this. Now that we've been able to see this, you can see the results right here. You can actually see it here. You can take a look at all of this. We have impressions there, 74,000 clicks, 3,000, and all of this. Now, what you really need to take note here is how can this result be achieved? How can you duplicate this thing and do it for your own site? Okay, I'm going to show you an easy way, a quick way, like what you need to focus on, something that is going to give you results. All right, I've broke down this into few steps, so let's take a look at this. Now, this is actually 5 steps that you can take to achieve this type of results. The first step is to make sure that your site is search engine friendly. That's the very first step. You need to make sure that search engine recognizes your site. You need to make sure that you don't have technical issues on your site. You need to make sure that your site, like everything about your website, is search engine friendly. Now, the second thing you need to do is keyword research. You need to research on the content you are writing about, and this is the most important part of the whole process. If you do not do keyword research, then the rest of the processes is null and void, because you need to find keyword that people are searching for, like huge volume with very low difficulty. Okay, keyword that have at least 5,000 monthly search volume with very low difficulty, 0 difficulty, 2 difficulty, 1 keyword difficulty. How can you do that? Now take a look at this. I already have the model I use right here. As you can see, these are keywords on my SEO Rush. By the way, this is SEO Rush screen. So as you can see, I have keyword here with over 8,000 search volumes, 6,000 search volumes, 5,000 search volume with 0 keyword difficulty. Like keyword difficulty here is 0. It means these are very easy to rank for. These are keywords that are very easy to rank, and they have this one right here, and they have thousands of search volume, like thousands of search volume. Yeah, so I'm just going to scroll down here. As you can see, thousands of search volume. I think I have a keyword here with 14.8 thousand search volume with only 1 keyword difficulty. It means it's very easy to rank for this keyword, and as you can see right here, we have a lot of them. I'm just going to click on next so that you can see more of these types of keyword. Okay, so now as you can see, this is more of them. I just click on next right here. We have more of this type of keyword. Now what you really need to take note of is how can you do this. All right, now for the third steps, you need to make sure that you publish content on this keyword. Publish content around this keyword that you've gotten. Okay, publish content around good keyword with high keyword search volume with very low keyword difficulty. Now the next step after you've published your content is to optimize it for search engine. There is a difference between publishing any type of content and publishing content for search engine. These are two different things. You need to make sure that you publish your content in the way that search engine loves. Okay, now for the fourth steps, always make sure that your content is indexed. If it is not indexed properly, that's a problem. Ensure that your content is indexed properly. In fact, at the end of the day, if you publish your content, do your keyword research and publish a very nice content, and the content is not indexed on the search engine, then your entire effort is wasted. All right, now the fifth step is to be consistent. Be consistent. Now let me explain something. Let's assume that you actually work on one of these keywords right here. Publish on one of this keyword right here. As you can see, high keyword search volumes, very low difficulty. Now if you work on some of these keywords, there are a lot of them, and you start getting traffic. Okay, assuming you write on this particular keyword right now and you get let's say 1,000 traffic, that doesn't stop there. The next thing is to be consistent. I'm going to show you what works. It is up to you to be consistent. You don't just publish 10 content and expect millions of traffic. No, the reality is that I didn't get to this stage by publishing just 15 content. No, I have been consistent with this for at least a period of I think it's almost 1 year. Yeah, close to 1 year. So I've done this for 10 months at least. Okay, I've been consistent with the model I've shown you for about 10 months before I was able to achieve nearly 1 million clicks. All right, as you can see, if you should measure the differences between this period here, is somewhere around 10 months. You can see the spike. This is where the spike actually started. All this while I was actually still publishing, but I didn't follow this method. I didn't know what to do. That's why the spike starts somewhere here and then is up and going. All right, so ensure that you stay consistent. Once you learn this method, once you understand what works, once you are able to get your first inflows of traffic, be consistent. That's one of the most important part. But the overall and the very important aspect of all of this is to do your keyword research correctly. If you can figure out your keyword research, then cheers to you. You are very close to achieving this type of massive results. All right, so if you want to learn how to get your site to be search engine friendly, you want to learn how to do keyword research the right way, you want to learn how to publish and optimize your content for search engine and everything else that follows, we've actually broken this down into a well detailed course. Like, we've explained every single thing, and we've offered, like, we've presented ways of doing this type of keyword research. We've presented ways of doing this type of keyword research in up to like 6 different methods. A huge search volume with low keyword difficulty, like everything you need to know to start getting your traffic in the shortest time possible. Start getting your traffic from search engine in the shortest time possible. Everything has been broken down in detail. Check the link below this video. Click on the link below this video. Get access to the course. Watch the videos that you're gonna see on the course. Follow the method that we're gonna explain on the course and stay consistent. All right, then come back after a few weeks and let us know your results so far. Click on the link below this video. Get access to the course. Watch and implement what you've learned.